Hello, and welcome to our channel where we talk all things SEO. Today, we'll be discussing the basics of search engine optimization and why it's important for your website. Search engine optimization is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher on search engine results pages. This means that when someone searches for a keyword related to your website will appear higher up in the search results, leading to more visibility and potentially more traffic to your website. There are a number of factors that contribute to how search engines rank websites, including keyword density, site speed, and mobile friendliness. It's important to make sure your website is optimized for these factors in order to improve your search engine rankings. One important factor in SEO is keyword research. This involves identifying the keywords that your target audience is using to search for your products or services, and then optimizing your website's content to include those keywords. This can help your website appear higher up in the search results when someone searches for those keywords. Another important aspect of SEO is creating high-quality content. This means creating content that is both informative and engaging for your target audience. By creating high-quality content, you can attract more visitors to your website and keep them engaged for longer periods of time, which can improve your search engine rankings. Finally, it's important to track your website's performance and make adjustments as needed. This can involve tracking your website's traffic and engagement metrics, as well as monitoring your search engine rankings for your target keywords. By monitoring your website's performance, you can identify areas for improvement and make changes to your SEO strategy as needed. In conclusion, search engine optimization is an important aspect of digital marketing that can help your website rank higher in search engine results pages. By optimizing your website for keywords, creating high-quality content, and tracking your website's performance, you can improve your website's visibility and attract more visitors to your website. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe the channel for watching more informative videos.